are again. Now we have lowercase letters, and we're going to start our uppercase letters. Now, this time, we're going to pretend we are directing a symphony. Okay, so we're going to, the first letter we're going to make is L, capital L. And it's going to have a big bridge. Now this, you see the difference between the uppercase letters and the lowercase letters is that they are larger. Some of them are exactly alike. We'll talk about that later. But they're larger than the smaller case letters. Okay? So here we are. We're going to start with L. And we're going to have this big bridge. And then we're going to go down Mount Fuji and turn around and go off on the train to Tokyo. So here we have, here's our big bridge, but then we want to go down Mount Fuji, turn around and go off to Tokyo. So let's pretend we are directing the New York Philharmonic Orchestra, okay? Here we go. L, L, oh, if you ever wanted to be a director of a, see, L. Make them nice and big. Doesn't that feel good? L, L, L. The Symphony of L. Okay? Now take your pencil and paper and let's make lots of L's like that. Let it flow. See? L, down, up, L, L, L. Okay? So that's our first capital letter. You know, when I went to school, we talked about capital letters. They don't use that word anymore now. We say uppercase, but sometimes capital slips out of me. But anyway, you know what I mean. Uppercase L. Now the next one is D. The next symphony is the Symphony of D. And we're going to start at 12 o'clock and go down. We're at the top of the Mount Fuji now. We're going to go down Mount Fuji like that toward Kyoto, see? And turn around. Oh, that was great. So let's go back up to the top of Mount Fuji. And then have a bridge. Okay, that's D. Okay, let's go again. Down, turn around, go up again, and off. Let's conduct the Symphony of D. D. Down, around, and D. If you ever wanted to be a maestro, here's your chance. D, the Symphony of D. Now, I want to tell you something about this D. You can't connect, remember I said you could connect all the letters in the alphabet? And I can write from A to Z in lowercase without ever taking my pencil off of paper. But a few of the uppercase you can't connect. We can't connect a D and an O, for instance, or an I. So that's one, and there's a few more. I'll tell you as we go along. So we won't try and connect the capital D. Okay, let's make some capital D's on our paper now. Down, up, and around. Down, the Symphony of D. Oh, see how it flows? Down. Okay, now, here's a funny one. To learn this one, you have to think of a map. And this one is the letter I, capital I, the only letter that's a word. Now there's two letters that are words in the English language, I and A. They stand alone, but they're the only two. Now the capital I, we're going to pretend we're in New York. That's where I live, in New York. And we're going to go from New York all the way over to California. See, that'd be the way the plane would go. And then we're going to go up to Seattle, Washington, see? And then we're going to come down and say, oh, let's go to Hawaii, way over there, see? So, but you have to start, don't make it backwards. There's a tendency to want to make it backwards, but you have to start at New York. So you go New York to California, Seattle to Hawaii. Okay, let's make I's. Let's do the Symphony of I. We'll conduct the New York Philharmonic Orchestra in the Symphony of I. Here we go. I. I, 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 I. All right, let's draw them. Let's take our pencil now. Let's make lots of eyes. You can connect this, you know, if you want. You can go I, T, T, but I like it like that. Say, well, okay, there's I. Make lots of eyes, but just be sure we start from New York and don't make it backwards. Okay, there's I. Now remember I said some letters start the same way and they're close together in the alphabet? Sure enough, that's the way the J goes. J is next to I in the alphabet, isn't it? And that's the same way it starts in New York. So, but it doesn't, see, okay, here's New York now. Okay, and we're going to go all the way to California and up to Seattle, but we're going to come down straight. We're going to parachute down, see? And there's our J. We don't go to California, to Hawaii with J. We just go up and down into the valley, and J, 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 J. Okay? All right, did we make, let's make J's in the air. Okay, New York, here we come. California, here we come. J, 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 J. And it's so important to start at the right place and not make them backwards. Okay, that's I, J. All right? This, you can connect this one too. The only one so far you can't connect is the D because it stops at the bridge up here. Okay, now here we are. Let's see. Oh, now we're going to have more canes, candy canes. But they're not small like you get at Christmas. This one is going to be a decoration down at downtown in New York. And you know how they have these great big candy canes? Rockefeller Center has a big candy cane. So for our uppercase letters, we're going to have large candy canes. And now we're going to do H. We're going to have a large candy cane, okay? A great big large candy cane like that. And then we're going to come down straight like and then go back and go over and touch the candy cane. And off we go. That's our H. H. Okay. Big, straight, back, touch. Okay, let's make it in the air. Candy cane, down, over, and on. H, H, H. H, H, H. Okay, make lots of H's. H, H. Oh, you should see the decorations at Rockefeller Center at Christmas. Oh, they have great big canes. They have, oh, so many beautiful things. H, okay? Now, so let's make lots of H's. H, 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 H. Now, remember we said, isn't it funny how letters come together in the alphabet and they start the same way? I don't know why that is, but they do. So that's the same way with K. K has a big cane like that, and it starts at the top of the mountain and it goes over and touches the cane before it comes down. You see, H comes down first before it touches the cane, but the K touches the cane first. See? Here's your cane, and then you go over and touch the cane, and on you go. That's the K. Let's make a capital K, and let's direct the symphony of K. Here we are, K. Great big cane, K. Oh, we can all be conductors of the New York Philharmonic Orchestra. Oh boy, K. All right, so make lots of K's on your paper now. Make K. And that can also, that's easy to connect words with that. Now, I think we've learned all we've learned 6. We've had 6 uppercase letters. We've had L, D, I, J, H, K. Now we have to have 2 words for our homework. So this is the word. It's going to be a D. Down. We're going to come up like that. Now remember, you can't connect it. So we're going to start here. Dust. D, U, S, T. See? And the T is supposed to be the same height as the capital letter. Dust. And that's, now we have to have 2 words for homework. The next one is going to be jazz. We're going to go from New York, California, to Seattle, and down to Florida. Let's go right down to Florida. How about that? J, A, and Z. 2 Z's. There's the cane and the tail. You have to have 2 Z's. I'm sorry, I forgot to connect them. Z. Z. That Z should have been, okay. Let me do it right here. J, A, Z, Z. And don't forget, it has to flow like a river. J, A, Z, Z. Okay? All right, now, I think that will be the end of this lesson. We've learned 6 uppercase letters, and we learned that one of them can't be connected, which is the D. All right, so that's all for this lesson. We'll stop for now. See you at the next lesson.